how to make aesthetic vision board in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create aesthetic vision boards on your Canva. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to canva.com, and on the left hand side go to templates, and in the search bar you can just search for vision board, and then once you search for it, Canva will show you a list of aesthetic vision boards that you can choose from. So just tap on the vision board of your choice and then tap on customize this template. A new page will open up, and now you can customize this vision board according to your choice. So you can change the text, you can change the fonts, and then you can even change the colors, the styles. So once you have done that, now if you want to change the pictures, what you can do is you need to go to uploads, and then you can go to upload files. But before uploading files, you may be wondering where you can get aesthetic pictures from. For that, you can go to Pinterest. So here you can choose list of aesthetic pictures. You can go to the three dots and then download it. Just search for the pictures that you want, and then once you have downloaded it, you can just go to upload, tap on upload files, and then choose the pictures that you have downloaded, hit open, and then it will appear here in your uploads. And now you can just drag the picture, just tap on it and then just drag it and then place it anywhere that you want to. So double tap, drag, and just place it, and it will fit in itself. It's as simple as that. So this is how you make aesthetic vision board in Canva. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.